Welcome back to the channel. We're coming to you to cover Zebec. Zebec is currently sitting at a price of 0.002366, right around 0.00237. Up to date 0.76% is jumping right now on the price. But we've been on this new day 1 hour and 51 minutes. I wanted to come and give you a quick update on Zebec. So right now, a lot of people have been asking, is this the bottom or are we going lower? And looking at the 4-hour chart, price is hovering around, the 0.0237. We're still in a larger downtrend with lower highs. Good news on the day, the stochastic RSI, if you look down there at the bottom of the screen, is starting to curl up. Bad news, looking at the RSI, it's still around 43, 44. The volume delta has been mostly, negative. We're currently in a consolidation phase. The key level to watch right now is the 0.0245 up to the 0.0250. If Zebec breaks and closes above the 0.0250 with a strong volume, we could see a fast movement, up to 0.0270 to 0.00290. But if it gets rejected here again, we're likely to retest, our support levels. We got support down at 0.0225 and 0.0230. Right now, the chart looks neutral to slightly bearish, and I'm just bringing you the truth. The big unlock pressure from earlier seems to have absorbed better than we expected, but momentum is still weak. This is a high-risk, high-reward setup. Zebec is it has strong fundamentals in real-time payments and RWA, the real-world asset narrative. But the chart needs to prove itself first. And that's what I want to come to you with today and just give you an update on the Zebec. And that's what I'm looking at is neutral to bearish, We did have some negative funding rates that's turned positive. And like I say, the MACD, the histogram is basically flat, the neutral, but you got the MACD down on the bearish side. It is trying to curl up, but we need to see that move back up. Let me get the indicator right here. Let's see, RSI. I got this trend line right here. We really need to break back above this trend line right here. We've lost it. We came down, we went back up and retested to get above that trend line. And a lot of times trend lines do help. Once we went back up and got rejected, we did have a pullback. It did pull back to 0.002200. A lot of zeros. But anyway, we got a bounce. We pushed back up. And it's right here at the price it's at, and it's neutral to bearish. I mean, it's not moving up like I would like to see it. It's getting a rejection here, and we ain't even up at the trend line. We ain't even up at previous levels where we retested the trend line. So unless something breaks out major in the news, Bitcoin's been struggling on the day. We could see that I got, this kind of a trend line right here I got. It fell out of this trend line and dropped dramatically. It went all the way down to $58,997, in which that's got a lot to do with Zebec. Big major sell-off in the crypto market, bear market. This is what you can expect. But just looking for Zebec to recover, I haven't looked today. I've been working, haven't looked in the fundamentals of it to see anything new going on with Zebec. But was hoping that we could see this market start to turn around, but it seems like Bitcoin's kind of. Let me do this. I don't know. I got to get this thing readjusted or something. I got something set wrong on Trading View because every time it squeezes that chart together, and I don't know why. But I see this as a bounce, and this could be marking the top of another consolidation phase we go into. We're back at level that we was on June 5th, and then we rallied up to the top of the fib retracement right here, the Fibonacci at the 1, and I thought we was looking like we could break out, but it was just a fake out, and down we come back down to these previous levels over here on Bitcoin. And that right there, each time Bitcoin makes a rally up and it rallies back, that just hurts these alts. It just takes these alts are taking a beating from Bitcoin pushing up and then dropping back, and it dropped hard today, pretty good. I think I looked at it one time, it was around a little over $3,000. But a lot of these alts are already at previous bear market lows before we even went into this 2025, 2026 bull run. But I don't think XRP's pulled back to its previous bear market levels. I don't think it'll pull all the way back there, but tokens at a loss, I think I hear somebody say that Bitcoin and Ethereum had pulled back. The top three out of the top three tokens at a loss, Bitcoin had pulled back this mark and Ethereum had pulled back this mark, but XRP hadn't quite. So, and I know that ain't the reason why Bitcoin ain't bottomed yet or bounced or went bullish. It ain't because of XRP not has reached the previous cycles tokens at a loss, but it's good to see a little bounce here on today, but it's a weak bounce. So we could just consolidate right here, and we could just push up for the next couple hours, next couple days. This market could go either way, y'all. We could just see this thing kind of just go right there, before we either go down lower or up higher. Right now, it just looks neutral or bearish on the market on Zebec. So we did have a spike down here on the volume, and it did pump up, but I guess it pulled down, and then a lot of some spot came in here buying pressure and pushed it back up. But I just want to come and give you a quick update on it. RSI's, look, it looks like it could turn up and go back up at any time, but we could just consolidate down here for a little bit before going back up. In the market, Bitcoin is the market, y'all, and right now we're in a bear market, so don't worry about going to all-time lows. I think Bitcoin is, I think it's going to pull back more. I really do, but I got my thesis on that. But Bitcoin could be getting close to finding its bottom. I'm gonna be honest with you, because a lot of these alts can't take too much more. A lot of them can't. Zebec's holding up really good. Zebec's holding up really good on the market. So if you like the content, it's been helpful to you, just like I say, look for break. If we can break out above this 0, 0, I think it was 250. We can break out above these levels up here at the 250 and hold up here. We can get up here and hold. We'll be fine. We can turn back bullish again. We can get back up here and just, work our way back up. We can. That's better than going lower. You know what I'm saying? We could just, but we need to get back above this previous 2423. I'd like to see it above that 2450 up to 2500, somewhere in this range. I'd like to see it get back in that range up here, and start to slowly move up. And right now, I can't tell you we're gonna go higher. I just cannot tell you we're gonna go higher. We could just consolidate and before this market makes another decision, Bitcoin needs to go up higher. It needs to get back up within the range. It needs to get back above 61,900 at least. Get back up. It's fell out this fib and then push. It needs to get on up. It needs to get on up. It needs to get on up somewhere around 63,800 up to 64,000 and hold, to be honest with you, to get back in a bullish trend. But we could see another leg down, y'all, and I just want to bring you that. Bitcoin's following the path to least resistance right now, and Zebec's been holding up pretty good. So if you like the content, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one. God bless you.